In this video we're going to show you how to create text blocks in your repeatserver.com account. Now let's say for example you had a series of shops around a particular city, and in each of the shop windows you have a presentation playing. Part of that presentation you want to show a daily special offer. Now what we could do is we could create a text file with the special offer text in and host it at repeatserver.com so it's available to any computer that's got an internet access, and then we can display this in our presentation and also set it up so that when we change that text it automatically changes on the playing presentations on the screens in the shop windows. So I'm going to click on text block. Now currently we've got no text block set up at all, so I'm going to go up to this menu, text blocks maintenance. And what this does is automatically log us into the repeatserver.com account. I'm just going to alter the zoom because we're on quite low resolution. And I'm going to click on create text block. And the block name, I'm just going to put daily special offer. And this description, daily special offer. Right, here's my text. I'm just going to put bog off, buy one get one free on DVD players. Now this is like a word processing document, so I can alter the text, the font, the text size, make it bold, change the colour, etc. I'm just going to make this fairly quite big, and I'm just going to change the colour of this one. That's the back colour. So I'm going to change the font colour. So buy one get one free. Just change this to red. And all I'm going to do now is click on add to add this text block. And you can see it gets a unique address here. So repeatserver.com users, that's my account name, text block, daily special offer. Now if I actually click this file and I open it, it finally gets there. You can see this is just an RTF file, a rich text file, and this is just standard text. But the point being, it's hosted on a website at this particular address. I'm just going to close this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a presentation as if it was going to be used in the shop windows. So I'm going to click on create presentation. And I'm going to click insert, and then I'm going to choose insert RTF document. Where's this file located? It's not locally, it's on our repeatserver.com account. There it is, daily special offer. I'm going to click on OK. And here's my text, and all I'm going to do is just resize it. There we go. I'm just going to drag this down to the bottom of the screen, put the resize again, and here we go. And what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to make that full width, and I think what I'll do is when we actually alter this text we'll make it centered as well. Right, so we've now got that piece of text, and it is originated on our repeatserver.com account, which is on our internet-based website. Now what I need to do is when we're playing this presentation we're going to want Repeat Signage to check for whenever there's a new version of that and then display the text automatically. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to double click that control, go to the refresh tab. Now it's going to check every 15 minutes by default, which is fine normally, but for the purpose of actually doing the demonstrations to see what's happening, I'm just going to change that to 10 and then click on OK. That's just a warning message to basically say that's a bit too soon. But I'm going to accept it anyway. Now I'm just going to save this presentation. I'm going to save that as shop window presentation. Click on save. And close this down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the presentation, but normally when you play a presentation it doesn't allow you to switch away from that presentation, it's full screen. So I'm just going to go to File and Settings, and on the Player tab we must make sure that there's no tick in this particular box. Keep Player on top of the application, but just purely for this demonstration anyway. So I'm going to play that presentation, shop window presentation. And there we go. I mean, normally, obviously, in this white area, you'd have other things going on, but in this case, we just wanted the special offer text, because that's what we're interested in this time. So I'm going to leave that playing, and just Alt-Tab back to Repeat Signage. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that text to repeatserver.com, and we're going to watch it change playing live on the presentation. So I'm going to go to my Repeat Server tab, and it's a text block. Now, I could just double-click this, and it would automatically open the website at the right page for us. I'm just going to zoom again back to 75%, see what's going on. Now I'm just going to change this, and all I'm going to do, buy one get one for DVD players. I'm just going to change that to televisions and save that. Now don't forget to publish it to make it live, and job done. So I'm going to close this. Now, our presentation is still playing here. Now, within sort of 10 to 15 seconds, that should update itself automatically. And there we go. Thank you for watching our video.